Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Understand Al-Quran the easy way. Course 2, page 5, pointer C, as you know well, mashallah. So we have done it many times. 5 on the 5th page. On every page there are 4 pointers, as we have done. In all the lessons we have learned before, alhamdulillah. First pointer is question on Khalifa. Second is teaching of names. Third is Sajda and Iblis, sleep, and Tawbah is the fourth one. We can see all these pointers on the pointers here on finger, no. The 5th finger, and the third pointer is Sajda and Iblis, linked with previous verses. So in previous verses, Allah talked about the creation of Adam alayhi salam and that He gave knowledge to Adam alayhi salam. Now He mentions the honor given to Adam alayhi salam. Okay, let's recite first. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
وإذ قلنا للملائكة اسجدوا لآدم فسجدوا إلا إبليس.
وإذ قلنا للملائكة اسجدوا لآدم فسجدوا إلا إبليس.
فسجدوا إلا إبليس.
فسجدوا إلا إبليس.
أبى واستكبر وكان من الكافرين.
أبى واستكبر وكان من الكافرين.
واستكبر. أبى واستكبر.
أبى واستكبر وكان من الكافرين.
Okay, the translation. وَإِذْ قُلْنَا, and when we said, لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ, to the angels. So قُلْنَا, you remember, mashallah, as well. قُلْنَا, we said, لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ. Malak is singular. The meaning is angel, and the malaika is plural. Jam'u malak is malaika, and the meaning angels. Usjudu, you all prostrate. Usjudu li Adam, prostrate before Adam. Fasajadu, so they prostrated. Fasajadu. So they prostrated illa Iblis, except for Iblis. Aba wastakbara. Aba, he refused. Aba, he refused. Wastakbara, and he was arrogant. Wakana min al-kafirin, and became of the disbelievers. So sajda is for Allah only. The one mention here is for honoring Adam alayhi salam and not for worshipping Adam alayhi salam. Angels obeyed Allah, so they worshipped Allah and not Adam alayhi salam. What a great honor to our father Adam alayhi salam. Just imagine the beautiful scene with all angels prostrating Adam alayhi salam. Should we not thank Allah for this honor? We should be thankful. Abba, he refused. Why? He became jealous of Adam alayhi salam. He became jealous. When asked about this refusal, he did not say, I am not an angel, so the order was not for me. He said, I am better than him. I am better than him. He showed arrogance and became one of the disbelievers. So showing arrogance is not a work that should be done by any believers. It's like you are not believers anymore perfectly. So we should not be arrogant. We should be mutawadi'. We should be humble. Okay. And we should be soft-hearted also. So, as we have done it, mashallah. This was all for now. Abba, translate Abba. Select anyone.
He refused.
MashaAllah. So this is C. Perfect answer. Wastakbara. Which one? A, B, C, D.
And he was arrogant.
Perfect. So C again. You're lucky C. Iblis refused Allah's command because you can select more than one. Knowledge and wisdom, arrogance, jealousy, angels.
Arrogance.
Okay.
Jealousy.
Perfect answer, mashallah again. So this is my face. A smiley face. Because your answers, all the answers are good and perfect. The next ayah, let's recite it again. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. وَقُلْنَا يَا آدَمُ اسْكُنْ أَنْتَ وَزَوْجُكَ الْجَنَّةَ وَكُلَا مِنْهَا رَغَدًا حَيْثُ شِئْتُمَا.
وقلنا يا آدم اسكن أنت وزوجك الجنة وزوجك الجنة وكلوا منها ورغدا حيث
شئتما.
وكل منها رغدا.
This is lam fatha alif lam.
وكل منها رغدا حيث شئتما.
ولا تقربا هذه الشجرة فتكونا من الظالمين.
ولا تقربا هذه الشجرة فتكونا من الظالمين.
Okay. So وَقُلْنَا, and we said, again وَقُلْنَا, and we said, Ya Adamu, O Adam, uskun anta, dwell you, uskun anta, dwell you, وَزَوْجُكَ الْجَنَّةَ, وَزَوْجُكَ, and your wife, al-jannata, in paradise, وَزَوْجُكَ الْجَنَّةَ, and say, dwell you,
وَزَوْجُكَ الْجَنَّةَ uskun anta.
Yes. And your wife in paradise. Oh, in Jannah again the same wife.
And your wife in paradise.
And your wife in paradise. MashaAllah. So it was the command of Allah for our father Adam alayhi salam. وَكُلَا مِنْهَا رَغَدًا وَكُلَا مِنْهَا رَغَدًا, and eat therefrom is an abundance. In ease and abundance. حَيْثُ شِئْتُمَا. حَيْثُ شِئْتُمَا. Yes, from where you will. From where you will. I mean, anywhere, from anywhere you want, take something, to eat something, you can. So everything is for you. وَلَا تَقْرَبَا هَذِهِ الشَّجَرَةَ, but do not approach. وَلَا تَقْرَبَا, but do not approach. هَذِهِ الشَّجَرَةَ, this tree. فَتَكُونَ مِنَ الظَّالِمِينَ, lest you be among the wrongdoers. Lest you be among the wrongdoers. Okay, Allah gave our father and mother the honor to stay in Jannah and provided everything for their enjoyment. Even though Adam alayhi salam was created to become Khalifa in the earth, he was placed in Jannah initially for training and testing. It was also to show Adam alayhi salam and all humans that their real place is Jannah. So don't lose it by listening to shaitan. Don't lose your real place by listening shaitan. May Allah Almighty protect us from the shaitan, the rejected one, and may He give us tawfiq to do the good actions, good tasks, good works, and to achieve good habits and good things, so that He becomes happy with us, and he just take us in Jannah, which is our real place. Alhamdulillah. Say Ameen. Inshallah. We'll be together.
Inshallah.
Don't go near the tree. Don't go near the tree. It means avoid the prohibition by staying far away from it. So it was prohibited to approach that tree. And also, just like that, we have some prohibitions. We have something that is that should be not done by the believers, which is denied by Allah's commands and the Quran and Sunnah, Quran and Sharia. So we should not do. The things are prohibited and not permitted in Islam, in our respected religion. So we should respect it, and we just try to stay away from all these things. In Jannah, there was only one forbidden tree. Now we have many forbidden trees in the form of evil media, internet, TV, magazines, the environment, and on and on. May Allah help us stay far away from the evils. And yeah, there are many things good, so we can achieve. We can just use them for our benefit, and we can just get some advantage from them. And so you know as well, mashallah. Wa kula minha. So now translate. It is the translation time. Wa kula minha.
No, hey, close the door, please. Close the door. I'm sorry.
You have to pick up any A, B, C, D.
Akulu minha. They eat.
Okay. Wa kula minha, and okay. Wa, and they eat there from. You mean that?
Yeah, they eat from.
Perfect, mashallah. So D is correct. Okay, la taqraba. Translate la taqraba.
Do not approach it.
Do not approach, mashallah. Do not approach. Okay, B is correct. Allah gave Adam alayhi salam the honor of.
The honor of the in Jannah.
And you can select more than one.
Have the angels.
Okay, mashallah, prostrating him. Okay. Anyone else? Perfect. All these three, yes. Okay, now we have many forbidden trees in the form of, you can select many more of them. I mean, 2, 3, and all. Yes, quickly.
Okay, evil.
Okay, A.
Yes. And the C.
C, okay.
And D.
D. And what about B?
Yeah, B.
Yes, of course. Every evil part of everything, we have to stay away from that. Evil part of media, evil part of TV, evil part of the internet, and friendship. Yeah, surely friendship with the evil people.
Yes.
Yeah, we should be friend with pious people and wrong and good doers. May Allah give us many more.
Amen.
Yes, so ayah number, this is the 34 ayah translation. And when we said to the angels, prostrate to Adam, they prostrated except Iblis. He refused and was arrogant and became of the disbelievers. Ayah number 35. And we said, O Adam, dwell you and your wife in paradise and eat freely from wherever you wish, but do not approach this tree, lest you be among the wrongdoers. Alhamdulillah. May Allah Almighty accept everything which is in Jannah for us.
Amen.
So honor to Adam, sajda of angels, arrogance and jealousy are shaitanic attributes. Disobedience of to Allah may lead to kufr and zulm upon oneself. We should seek protection. Don't get even close to the place of evil. Yeah, here is the lesson. Okay, let's make dua. Oh Allah, make Jannah my final destination. Oh, Allah. Ameen ya Rabb. Give me tawfiq to stay away from all the evils. Ameen. A simple plan. I try to avoid evil things and places as much as possible. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yeah. So these are some words. Zawj, plural is azwaj. Jannah is singular, plural is jannat. Shajara is singular, plural is ashjar. Ashjar, yes. And now there are some madi sound verbs. We have done sajada, yasjudu, usjud, sajid, masjud, sujud. Then sakana, yaskunu, uskun, sakin, maskun, ilay, and sakan. Then qariba, yaqrabu, iqrab, qarib, maqrub, qurb. Some time. Okay. Zalama, yadlimu, izlim, zalim, mazlum, zul. Now, 3-letter weak verbs. Aba, yaba, ya'ba, ya'ba. Iba, iba. Abin, ma'biyin, iba. It's not always, I mean, most of time it's not used. Iba and so. Akala, ya'kulu, kul. Akil, ma'kul, akil. Sha'a, yasha'u, sha. Yeah. Not used mostly. Sha. Sha'in.
Sha'in.
Mashi. Mashi'a. Okay. Fi'l madi for the noun qurb will be fi'l madi. Qariba. Yes, qariba. Is correct. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Fi'l mudari of sha'a. Fi'l mudari. Sha'a.
Sa'u.
See, fi'l mudari. Which one is? Yasha'u.
Yasa'u.
Okay. Good. Plural of zawj. Zawj.
Ajwaj.
Perfect. Yes. Azwaj. Alhamdulillah, we have done it after a difficulty of the electricity faced today. Alhamdulillah, we have done. So let's say some words. Is dua at the end. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. سبحانك اللهم بحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. آمين يا رب.
آمين يا رب.
الحمد لله.